Guys, me and Mama Salt. 2022 now done. I'm gonna write one book.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. Or you want the Slim Shady, so just imitate. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up.
What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I love each and every one of y'all. Thanks a lot for the continuous love and support. As you can see, today's video is going to be a very short and spicy one. So without further ado, let's jump in. Rafaya, why do you look so sad, stressed, and depressed? Well, let me tell y'all, this day is 2 days before my birthday, which would be June the 26th. Now, I was working with a very tight schedule, as in this day, I was supposed to go get my nails done first, then my lashes done, then my hair done. I booked all these appointments far apart to have better timing, and thank the Lord that I am smart and I did this, because little did I know that my day was not gonna go as smooth as I planned. It was literally just like one hurdle behind the next, but thank God I pulled through and I got everything done. For starters, I booked this nail appointment for 9 a.m. Tell me why on my way to the salon, around 8:45, the nail tech posted that she wouldn't be working on that day. I was livid, but at the same time, I'm used to stuff not going my way, so I literally had a plan B. But I was just ballistic, because I'm the day just started. Why is everything already crumbling down? But a little bit after that post, she made a different one saying that, hey, I'm gonna come to work, so if y'all still want to get your nails done, be there. I'm gonna be there shortly. So I stayed, and a few minutes after, she was there and I started to get my nails done. This is the finished look for my nails, y'all. I really love them. I've done something like this before, but I really love white, but because I cannot wear full white to work, I'm always trying to incorporate white on my nails, so I love them. Me again with this sulky ass look. back at my next appointment. This appointment is actually my lash appointment. I was still not feeling the day, y'all, because remember my nail appointment was behind, so of course my lash appointment would be behind, and then my hair appointment would be behind. So I was just really nervous because I wanted to get everything done and over with in one day. So this is my before face and this is my after.
Got him! Got him!
Guys, do you owe me salt? Me need to write a book. 2022 na done. I'm gonna write a book. Me and mama seaside. Me and father salt. Like, when somebody can't salt,
So y'all, this is just me venting because like I said before, this day it was literally one obstacle after the next, because here I finished got my nails done, I finished got my lashes done, I made my way to my hair appointment, which is like a good distance from where I was. I literally had to take a different taxi. Tell me why, like 3 minutes after I got there, the power went out. Radam in my back natty. Like at this point, I was so over everything. I was literally on the verge of not getting my hair done because I couldn't do it the following day. I didn't have time as I was dealing with some other stuff. But then I remembered I'm one of God's favorites, so I was like, I'm not giving up. I came way too far to basically turn back now. I literally just sat down and whispered a little prayer, and like 10 to 15 minutes, God said, let there be light, and the whole place got litty. I got my hair did or whatever. Thank you, Jesus. That is the result of my hairstyle, y'all. I really loved it. What's funny is I didn't think it would fit me, but I guess when you're that girl, you are just that girl, and that's on that, point blank period. But yeah, that is it from me in today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. Until next time, walk good, love you guys, peace.